Alright guys, what I have here today is an outdoor camera from Nest called Nest Cam IQ with 1080p video with 4K sensor and IP66 weather resistant for outdoor, and have HD two-way audio, and it could record continuously up to 30 days with the Nest Aware subscription. And the camera zoom, it's 12x, which is pretty good. This camera actually able to zoom in to a person if it detects anyone and actually follow the person in the apps. So wherever that motion this camera detects, it will follow that motion direction, okay, to wherever the person go. That's a very neat feature. So let's open the box and see what we got inside. Okay, right there. So Nest Cam IQ outdoor camera. All right. Okay, let's open the box. And here we got the Nest Cam IQ, and this is the mount, and we got the speaker and the microphone. Okay, just stand this up. And this is the mount. The one thing with this cam is that the connection is right behind the mount. So when you run the cable, you run right through the mount in the back. You drill a hole right into your wall, and the cable actually fit through probably like a 3/8 hole, and you fish it through the wall. And when you mount the mount on, the wire is not exposed to where someone could walk up to your camera and just cut the cable off. That's a very cool design right there. So, because right now a lot of cameras that outdoor with the plug, you actually have an outlet and you plug into the outlet up on top. But the thing is, the actual power cable is accessible to where someone could walk up and cut them. That's what most of the outdoor camera have, and it's kind of like a security issue. So that's a good design there. Okay, thumb up for Nest for that. So, okay, there's nothing there, and it's just a instruction booklet. Okay, let's put it aside. And here we go. That's the power cable for the IQ cam. And this is the power adapter to plug into your outlet, and then you plug the cable into it. Okay, what else in here? Okay. Yes. There we go. And include all the mounting kit, all the wall anchors, and the wire clip to hold the wire in place. Okay. Even come with a hex key. Okay, so you don't actually, you probably only need a drill and a drill bit. Okay, all the accessories there. Yeah, so the connection for the camera for the power cable is all the way inside, and then there's a lock, so you can't just actually yank the camera out that easily. So when you plug the cable in, right here, there's a groove right there. When you plug it in, it actually lock in place, so someone can't just go up to the camera and yank it off. Okay. Plus, it's mounted, and then the extra security is the cable lock. That's pretty neat. All right, guys, I'm gonna install this. All right, guys, I'm back from installing the Nest IQ Cam and downloading the Nest app onto my Android device. So let's open the Nest app and check out the quality of the cam video. All right, there's the video. I already have the Nest account, so I didn't have to do much to set up the actual camera, because what it is when you have the Nest carbon monoxide smoke alarm, you just push on the center button. It show self-link the Nest IQ cam to your account. So that's an easy setup. For those of you doesn't have any of the Nest product, you probably have to go through the full account setup, like sign up for a new Nest account, all those stuff. Okay, so let's click on it to have a full screen view. There you go. Okay, it's the quality of the IQ cam. It's pretty clear and detailed, and you could see, you could zoom in. Okay, there you go. And let's go into the settings, see what type of setting do they have for this Nest IQ cam. Let's go scroll down. And with the Nest IQ cam with Nest, you have to sign up for an account, and it's a paid subscription. Okay, to let you guys know that. So it's backyard. Click on backyard, and you could go in here. You could go in here, do all the setup for your cam. Just click on home and away assist. So this feature right here, what it is it detects your phone when you're home or not. So if when you're home, the actual camera turns off, and when you leave your house, it activates the camera to let you know the camera is, to turn the camera on. Let's go back out, and then you could set the schedule to when to turn off the camera, when to turn on the camera, and just setting the schedule on and off. Notification, you could have the notification sent to your email or text to you, all this feature, and then you can have the camera motion detects only people or all type of motion, and then you could turn on the sound. That's pretty good neat feature. You could like sound from people talking, dog barking, and you could set all other sound. That's pretty good. All right, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this Nest IQ cam and the video quality. Subscribe to my channels for new videos update, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Alright guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this Nest IQ cam and the video quality. Subscribe to my channels for new videos update, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.